In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an image in Leonardo AI using a prompt from Gemini. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable process for turning an idea into a polished image, using Gemini to write the prompt and Leonardo AI to bring it to life. First, head to Gemini in your web browser. Think of Gemini as your prompt writing assistant. It's great at turning a rough idea into a clear, descriptive instruction. In the chat box, ask Gemini to create a prompt for the image you want. Be direct and specific about the subject, style, and mood. You can mention elements like composition, lighting, color palette, and any details to include or avoid. For example, you might say, create a detailed image prompt for a cinematic portrait of a traveler in a rain-soaked city at night with neon reflections and soft rim lighting. The more clearly you describe your intent, the more helpful the prompt will be. Avoid adding any personal or sensitive information. Focus only on creative details. When Gemini provides the prompt, read it once to ensure it matches your vision. Check that it includes the essentials: what the image shows, how it should feel, and any stylistic guidance. If it looks good, copy the entire prompt so nothing important gets left behind. Next, go to Leonardo AI in your browser. Navigate to the image section. This is where you'll paste the prompt and generate your artwork. In the prompt field, paste what you copied from Gemini. Take a brief moment to confirm the text formatting looks clean and that the key details are present. Keeping the prompt intact helps the model follow your instructions more closely. Now generate the image. Click the Generate button and let Leonardo AI process your prompt. This can take a moment. When the image appears, you'll see how the written instructions guided the result, translating your words into visuals. Pay attention to how specific phrasing shaped elements like lighting, perspective, or atmosphere. This awareness will make your next prompt even stronger. And that's it, done. You went to Gemini, asked for a prompt, copied it, went to Leonardo AI, opened the image section, pasted the prompt, generated, and finished. With this workflow, you can quickly move from an idea in your head to a compelling image on your screen, all by letting Gemini handle the words and Leonardo AI handle the art.